Printify versus Printful. Which one is better? In this video, discover the features, pros and cons, and pricing of both Printify and Printful. If you are stuck choosing between Printify and Printful, we deep dive into Printify and Printful and will unpack features. Cost will determine which service comes out on top. Stay tuned till the end. First up, we have Printful. Over here are some of the features that are included within the two plans that Printful offers. They don't show you the pricing because you have to go ahead and sign up. The main thing that you have to note, so Printful offers you TDG, direct to garment. They offer you embroidery as well. They also offer you all over prints and direct to films, which is DTF. The difference between DTG and DTF are here. For DTG products, these are all the necessary stuff. These are all the catalogs, the pricing and ship. For DTF products, this is what you will get. You can go ahead and check them out. In my opinion, I don't think Printify offers embroidery, which is pretty cool because embroidery is really better. It's more high quality. In my opinion, this is one up on Printful. Speaking of pricing, they offer you two plans. They're basically membership plans. There's the Printful Growth and Printful Business. Printful Growth is going to be $24 per month. It will give you all these benefits. DTG products are going to be off in 20%. Up to 30% are going to be off on other categories. Products branding discount is up to 7% and personalized product transfer assistant as well. For Printful Business, you're gonna have at least 60k worth of sales, then you are eligible for this plan. Moving over to Printify is a very simple and very similar to Printful as well. Both differ in the types prints that they offer. Also offers all of the other prints that Printful offers, but they don't offer embroidery from what I have seen. The pricing plans for Printify is as follows. As you can see, there are three plans: free plan, premium, and enterprise. You can open up to 5 stores per account in the free account. In premium, you can open up to 10 stores. Also get unlimited product designs and up to 20% discount as well. Over here, as you can see, on all product, not just specific ones. Over here, it's $24.99 per month for the premium plan. Printful over here is very similar, $24.99. In my opinion, since they only offer 20% off DTG products, not on embroidery or DTFs or other products, in my opinion, if you look at the discount alone and how many stores you can open up, of course, Printify makes sense if you are going to go ahead and get a premium plan. Now, let me just show you how you can design your product within both of these websites. Before I show you how you can go ahead and create your product, let me just show you some of the catalog that they offer. They offer all the common catalogs, t-shirts, hoodies, jeans, and all of that. They offer other cool stuff as well. First, let's take a look at Printify. In their catalog, you can see they have a bunch of different options. So they have kids clothes, women's, men's, accessories, home and living. And they have some other categories which are not that important because they all contain products from these categories. Let's take a look at men's. So they have all the regular stuff. One thing that stands out is that they offer shoes as well. So Printify offers shoes for both men and women's clothing. For women, they also offer skirts and dresses as well. Keep that in mind. They all have all of the common ones as well. For kids, of course, they have the simple clothes as well. So these were the main ones. You can also check out some categories as well. So they have a bunch of different ones, such as tech accessories, travel, cars, stationary accessories. They have pet, mouse pads, baby accessories, and all of that. These are some of the catalog that Printify offers. Now, if you take a look at Printful's catalog, it's also very similar. What they offer over here, as you can see, is pretty basic stuff. Men's clothing, kids, hats, accessories, and home and living. They offer much more stuff in home and living, such as candles, pillowcases, magnets, water bottles, mugs, coasters. So you can see they have a bunch of more options home and living accessory wise as well. So they have fanny packs, flip-flops, shoes, socks, earphones, all of these cool stuff. They also have hair accessories as well, so if you wanted to check them out as well. And in kids and youth, they have all these stuff as well. So you can see they have leggings, baby bodysuits, swimwear, hats, jackets, hoodies, and t-shirts. For women, they all have all these different stuff as well, and they also have dresses as well. They offer a variety of different products, websites, but in my opinion, Printful just takes it to the next step. They have a bunch of more cool stuff. That's one point to Printful. Now let's go ahead and show you how you can create new design. Let's go ahead and start creating our design. Let's go ahead and create one in Printful. To do that, all you gotta do is go into product template. Here you'll create a template and then you can apply that template onto any product. Over here, as you can see, pretty simple, very easy. Create or edit a template, pick a product and design, and then there you go. You can choose your first product template right here. These are some default templates that are already over here by default. You don't need to go ahead and use them. Let's go ahead and create our, first up we choose choose our product. We can go with hats, collections, brands, accessories, whatever. Let's go with men's clothing for now. We'll choose all men's clothing or specific men's clothing, you know, choosing shirts, t-shirts, hoodies, or leggings or whatnot. First up, let's go ahead and select all shirts. All right, we just want shirts. We don't want leggings or stuff like that. So we'll just select all shirts. Now we choose what type of shirt. For now, it'll be applied. Don't worry, your product template will be applied on all shirts. You just have to pick one shirt. For now, I'll select the first one that they suggest. You just simply go ahead and drop your design. If I click over here, I'll be able to upload my design. Now these are some of the designs that I had previously uploaded. I can go ahead and select those if I want to, but I already have one more. I can go ahead and select that, but I'll just choose the butterfly. There you go. As you can see, that's how it looks like. Over here on bags, on hoodies, trousers as well. As we're selecting the shirts, that's why we got it over here. You can go ahead and move it up and down. You can go ahead and move it however you want it. Make sure in the center of this box that they have, right? Next, once you have it, you can select whether you want it the back, front, outside the label, inside label, sleeves or not. But once it's done, you just simply go ahead and save the template, and there you go. We now have a template. Now we can go ahead and add it to our store. As you can see, very simple. Let's go ahead and take a look at Printify now. Printify, what you have to do is you have to go to my store, and over here I already have a few brandings, but I deleted those. So let's go ahead and click on browse products. Now we're gonna go ahead and create our own product. We'll just choose t-shirts for now. We'll go ahead and select the bestseller for Printify. So this is the shirt. We can go ahead and start designing them as well. So over here down below you can see some of the prices of these shirts as well. This is the location and this is the price. So Jams Design, if we select this one, it's gonna cost us $17. Monster Digital, it's going to cost us $14. If we select Diamond Dimona Tea, it's going to cost $23. So you can select whichever one you want. For now, we'll just select this one. Very simple. Just like before, we just upload our design. We just simply upload our design, white. So this is our design. Now we'll just move it up, make it bigger. You can select the colors as well, but for now we only have one color. We'll keep it one, white, and then we'll just simply click on save product. And now we have a tile image. Now we just select the mockup, and then we just simply add in the sizes, the colors, and other variation and description. Generally, you get the idea. As you can see how easy it is, right? Also, if you were wondering where can I see the type of designs I can select, over here on Printful, you can see you have some more design. The reason why it didn't show us beforehand is because we had selected all types of t-shirts. Because of that, some types of t-shirts don't support embroidery or DTG. That's why if you have to select certain types of t-shirt, this is the standard t-shirt. Now all I have to do is just upload my design. I just simply select like this one, skull. So this is a DTD, but if I select the product and I just simply click on embroidery, it'll change the design. So as you can see, it's preparing right here to upload the design for embroidery. Let's go ahead and select the skull. So for embroidery, this is how it is. For embroidery designs, it'll only show up over here in this corner. You can't have it big. This is how it looks. So you can have this type of design as well. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. So pros and cons are different. In my opinion, Printful is a little bit better since they offer a bigger catalog. They have a bit more designs like embroidery and TDG and TDC, but yes, they have more designs as well. The cost between Printify and Printful is exactly the same, except for when you go ahead and choose the most expensive plan. For that, you need to have some sale figures in order to activate that. Other than that, they're both very similar. They're both easy to use. You can choose whichever one you feel like is worth it. It depends on you. Also, what I have noticed is Printify doesn't work in certain countries. Like for me, I don't know, for my country it doesn't work because it requires a bank account. For that, I need to have a US bank account. So I think it's only because of the region I live in. I'm sure for you it might be different, but yeah, that is also a thing I wanted to tell you guys. Other than that, they're both very similar, both amazing, both are very popular, and both operate very similar. They're both print on demand, so of course they're going to be similar. In my opinion, my personal opinion, I think Printful takes it to the next level because it offers, of course, embroidery. It offers a larger, wider, and diverse catalog. That is it for this video. That we helped you understand a little bit better, and we hope this breakdown steered you in the right direction. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, also turn on post notifications to get more valuable content as well. Dive into these videos next if you want to learn more about Printful or Printify.